but I'm pretty sure this would look good outside. Because, I mean, look at this lace. Let me just get up in there. That looks good. Super easy, but it also looks amazing. Like, this is a Yaki straight texture, and look how flowy this is.
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도
On today's video, I have this very easy yet very beautiful wig from Nadula Hair. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. So if you want to see how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. I have a review from Nadula Hair. You probably saw that from the intro. So here is what it comes in here. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys and read the specs as well. Okay guys, so with the specs, this is a 7x5 closure wig, and it is a Yaki straight texture, 24 inches, 150% density. So as far as the cap construction goes, they do have pre-cut lace, and it looks like the hairline is already tweezed for us. We have a comb on the right and left side, a comb in the back, and all of these combs are removable. We have an adjustable elastic band, a removable comb in the back, and we also have adjustable straps and adjustable drawstring. So they have everything to make this a easy install. So see here, I might end up flat ironing this wig off camera just so I can get the back and everything like I want it to look, but I want to try it on for you guys first so you guys can see what we're working with. So with the drawstring, I just pull it and then tuck it under on the wig. So I'm going to have to adjust the wig because it does feel, that lace is good though. Let's see. Adjust the straps for a glueless look. Pull it back, and this is what it looks like fresh out the pack. Very pretty. Very pretty. Let's turn this up so you guys can see. This is gorgeous. I love me a Yaki texture. Yes. So I am going to flat iron this real good off camera, and I'll be back because it's not much to this, and I love that about these wigs. It doesn't have to be complicated. I love that. And this is a closure wig, and I will say this because I just reviewed a wig. I love the wig, but it was a closure wig, but it had like those tabs right beside the closure, and it wasn't seamless. They did this for you with this particular wig, and I appreciate that. So I'm gonna flat iron this wig off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys what we're working with.
힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지 Bittersweet tell me not Got me going crazy Someone just tell me why 하나 둘씩 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 Baby you 오직 너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life Keep you warm and nice Baby, I still love you 안 되겠어 이대로는 Can I say that I just love you 네 모습이 아름다워 근데 baby, I still love you I don't wanna
Alright guys, we are back. Yeah, so let me make sure everything is right. I think it should be. So this was so easy, and I'm so glad because I've been very busy with wigs today, and so it was nice to do something that was easier. Look how flowy this is. This is 24 inches. I just did a review on a 16-inch one, loved it, and I love this 24 inches. So I still love my inches, and it gives like a different look. So I have a lot of variety in my wig collection. This is gorgeous. I'm pretty sure this is 150% density, if I'm not mistaken. And it's so beautiful. Wearing it 100% glueless, and it looks beautiful. So I won't be able to do a sunlight test for you guys in this video because it is 7:30 at night. There is no sun. Okay, so we're just making it look good for the camera, but I'm pretty sure this would look good outside because, I mean, look at this lace. Let me just get up in there. That looks good. Turn my head different ways. Man. So, even without the sunlight test, this is, you know, this is gorgeous, okay? And it was easy, very beginner friendly, no lace to cut. I didn't cut any lace. I didn't tweeze anything. All I really did was use my hot comb to get the roots molded down, flat ironed it, and boom. And boom, that's all. So this was easy, and I love that. I love that wigs are so easy these days. So I'm like, this is one of the best times in wig history that I've been wearing wigs to wear them because they're so easy. And closure wigs, you don't have to worry about having lace ear to ear. They do so much for you, and it's so worth it because this is easy. This is so easy. And if you wanted to curl it, you could, of course, but I'm making it easy on myself and keeping it straight. But like, look at the natural sheen and the flow of this wig. It's gorgeous. As far as shedding goes, I just got one strand from doing that. Another strand, that's all. Entangling, I don't see that happening anytime soon. This wig is flowing beautifully. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I just love Yaki textures. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then this is just like a, you know, a natural color, so you can get away with wearing these kinds of wigs without makeup, and they look good. To me, I've been saying that for years, like a true test of like a natural wig is how it looks without any makeup on. I have on makeup right now. I got a feeling I'm going to be wearing this more. Okay, so if you're interested in this wig, head over to Nadula Hair's website and pick it up there. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 Nadula